Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will talk about strategies of problem solving about stoichometry and solutions. So by the end of this tutorial you will be able to independently solve problems about stoichometry and solutions. Now before going to problem solving strategies, let's quickly remember these concepts one more time. First of all, what is stoichometry? By definition, stoichometry is the calculation of amounts of reactants and products in chemical reactions. For example, in photosynthesis, we know that carbon dioxide is reacting with water and producing glucose and oxygen. However, we write a chemical equation of photosynthesis as shown here. So you can see some numbers in front of compounds, like 6 carbon dioxide, 6 water, 1 glucose, and 6 oxygen. This is balanced chemical equation, and stoichometry makes sure that chemical equations are balanced, and it deals with the amount of compounds on the left side and amount of the compounds on the right side. Don't forget that we have different units to measure amounts, like grams, moles, or just numbers. That's why there are some stoichiometric conversion units. So we can convert from gram to mole using molar mass, which can be obtained in the periodic table, or from mole to directly numbers by using Avogadro's number, which is shown here, and which is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. So 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23, and from mole to gram we can convert by using molar mass, which can be obtained from the periodic table. Secondly, what's the solution? So when a solute is dissolved in a solvent, we obtain a solution. Example, we can dissolve salt in a water and obtain salty solution like seawater. Or we can dissolve sugar in a water and obtain sweet solution. How we measure the strength of the solution? We use concentration. So if concentration is high, it means that the amount of solute in the solution is more. There are different units to calculate concentration, to measure concentration. They are grams per liter, mass percentage, volume percentage, and molarity. Because stoichometry uses moles, that is why this formula is useful for today, which is saying that molarity, or concentration as a molarity, is equal to moles of solute over liters of solution. Okay. Now let's come to the problem that we are going to solve today as an example. So this problem is saying that 23.5 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in enough water to make 0.683 liter of solution. And 3 different questions are being asked. Now, first of all, it is better to divide this big problem into parts. So first of all, let's deal only with part A. So part A, what is the molarity of the solution? So we have to find the molarity of sodium chloride in this solution. First thing to do, write the givens of the problem. So we can see 2 numbers here, 23.5 here, 0.683 liter here. So let's quickly write them, mass and volume. Is that all? Well, we can write one more thing about molar mass of sodium chloride using periodic table, even if it is not shown here, because periodic table is available, it's considered as a given. So in the periodic table we can see that sodium has got molar mass of 23, chlorine has got molar mass of 35.5, and by adding them we will find molar mass of sodium chloride, which is 58.5. So first step is done. Second step, write the relationship, or in other words, formula. So we are finding molarity here. So formula of molarity, it is moles over volume in liters. Here we are not given moles, but we can calculate mole using the relationship moles is equal to mass given over molar mass of sodium chloride. If we combine this relationship, we will have molarity is equal to mass over molar mass over volume in liters. Now let's put numbers, the third step. Put the givens in formula, or put the numbers in the formula. So same formula here, molarity is equal to mass is 23.5, molar mass is 58.5, and the volume is 0.683. And if you use calculator, you will find that it will be 0.588 m, or mole per liter. Don't forget that we used the relationship or formula and put the numbers that we wrote in the givens. So part A is solved. We have the result. Now let's move to the part B. How many moles of sodium chloride are contained in 0.01 liter of the above solution? So we have same solution, means we have same molarity. Now we have to find number of moles. So first step, write the relationship. Now we don't need to write givens one more time here, because we have already written in the part A. So again, relationship molarity is equal to moles per liter. We know molarity, we know the volume. Now we have to find moles, so we can rewrite the same equation as moles is equal to molarity times volume. Now second step, we will put givens. So moles is equal to 0.588, same number that we found in the part A, times 0.01 liter. Now I specifically wrote units one more time to show you that this L and this L will cancel each other. This is 1 over L, that's why 1 over L times L cancels each other, becomes 1, and we have only mole left. So our final result will be 0.00588 mole as a unit, or we can write it in scientific notation as 5.88 times 10 to the power of minus 3 mole. Okay, part B also solved. Now we come to part C. In the part C, question is asking what volume of this sodium chloride solution would contain 0.200 moles of sodium chloride. So here again we don't need to write givens, we have already written them. We will write relationship first. Same relationship, molarity is equal to moles per volume. Here we need to find volume, that's why we can rewrite our relationship as volume is equal to mass over molarity. Same relationship but written in different form to ease our calculation easier. Now we will put second step, put givens. So volume is equal to 0.200 mole over 0.588 mole per liter. Same solution, that's why we will use same molarity as in part A. Again here you can see here units. So this mole and this mole are cancelling each other. 1 over L comes as L here, and 0.200 over 0.588 becomes 0.340 liter. So now we solved all these questions and the problem is solved. Now I will give you a chance to test your understanding and knowledge while solving the problem number 2. Now you can stop the video and use the same principles as we applied while solving problem number 1. Don't forget, first step, write the givens. Second step, write the relationship. Third step, put givens in the relationship formula and calculate the result. Good luck.